today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a dumbbell shoulder push press. Now the first thing you need is just a pair of dumbbells, and that's it. This exercise targets the anterior part of the delts, which is the front shoulders. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pick up my dumbbells. Now when it comes to my starting position, I want to have my feet about shoulder distance apart. Slight bend in my knees. I want to push the butt out, roll the shoulders back, and then with the dumbbells and my arms, bring them right in front of me, just like this. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and perform the exercise. Now I'm going to do is just lift straight up, just like that, nice and controlled. Okay? Now, if you're using heavier weights, it's okay to do a small squat so you have some momentum to push the dumbbells up. So if I was using heavier weights, it's okay to do this motion. Alright, this is how you do a dumbbell shoulder push press.